Creating a Binance Web3 wallet allows you to interact with decentralized applications and manage your assets on the blockchain. Here's how you can create a Binance Web3 wallet. Log into Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account on the website or mobile app. If you don't have an account, sign up first. Access the wallet section. Once logged in, go to the wallet tab on the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot or Binance Wallet. Navigate to Web3 Wallet. In the Binance Wallet section, look for Web3 Wallet or Binance Chain Wallet. Click to enter the Web3 Wallet creation process. Install the wallet extension. If you're using a desktop, you will need to install the Binance Web3 Wallet extension for Chrome or Firefox. You can download it from the official Binance website or browser extension store. Create your wallet. Once the extension is installed, click on the Binance Web3 Wallet icon. Choose to create a new wallet and follow the prompts. You will need to set up a password and store your recovery phrase securely. Fund your wallet. After setting up the wallet, you can transfer assets like BNB or other tokens into it to start using Web3 services.